Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be good. We'll discuss about Oman transportation, public transportation, bus service. As you know, Oman Spring Committee yesterday announced that public transport will open, and 27 September buses from one city to another city, they will start their operation, but limited passenger, like 50% passenger will they will carry. There is guideline also that will share also. And from 4 October, intercity bus service in Muscat, they will start their operation with 50% capacity. And in Salalah, intercity bus service, they will start it on 18 October. And from 1st of October, Oman has already says that the far lockdown will be ended. And inshallah khair, hopefully things will be good. And all those passengers who will travel through buses, they should take care of themselves. They should do hand sanitize, and hand sanitize, it will be provided in buses. You should not touch the handles and in bus. And also there will be standing will be not allowed in bus. And 50% people, they will travel at once at a time. They will not if there is 50 seats, only 25 passenger will travel. If there is 100 seats, then 50 passenger will travel. So inshallah khair, hopefully in coming few days also there will be a lot of changes. There will be more good news as well, like returning Oman, MOFA approval, NOC. I will share this in another video. So always stay blessed, take care, Allah Hafiz.